Are we rolling? Yeah, Victoria? Oh. What's up, GMAT Nation? Let's talk about caffeine. Caffeine is a neurostimulant, and drinking coffee, tea while you prep, and particularly being appropriately caffeinated when you test, is a decided advantage. Caffeine is a nootropic, which means it helps you be smarter. It helps your cognitive abilities become enhanced due to increased blood flow and oxygen flow to the brain. So understanding how caffeine helps, not to get you up in the morning, but to get you to that really nice, steady state of alert focusedness, where you're making up words like alert focusedness, but where you kind of feel on top of the world and you have that gentle energy right before you get to this point. And you want to understand exactly how much caffeine your body can take, because there's nothing worse than being over-caffeinated, jittery, and anxiety-ridden on the exam. But if you calibrate it properly, caffeine is an important part of your GMAT diet.